Hi, I'm Elise Starr.
And I'm Tom Starr of the Starr team. We're excited to show you our latest listing.
Take a look.
Welcome to 5560 Berkshire Drive, Unit 203, an elegant and stylish condo located inside Bell Tower Park. Step inside to experience an abundance of upgrades including volume ceilings, arches and columns, crown molding, 5 1/4-inch baseboards, wood plantation shutters, and custom 8-foot doors. This condo has been recently painted with neutral colors and is being sold turnkey. The large kitchen includes a breakfast bar, beautiful white wood cabinets, solid surface countertops, and informal dining area. When it's time to relax or entertain friends, open your glass sliding doors with hurricane impact glass and head out to your lanai with breathtaking views. The master bedroom offers a spacious environment with access to your lanai, 2 walk-in closets with custom wood shelving, and an attached ensuite. This condo is truly unique, offering 2 additional guest suites with attached full bathrooms. You also have a built-in desk right outside the laundry room. The garage features a beautiful epoxy floor and additional storage under the staircase. The community of Bell Tower Park is in a great location and offers resort-style amenities including 2 pools, tennis courts, tot lot, pickleball, and more. If you are searching for an immaculately maintained condo in a fantastic community, call today to schedule your private showing of 5560 Berkshire Drive, Unit 203.
Thanks for checking out our latest listing.
For more information, please contact the Starr team at www.thestarteam.com.
Trust the Starr team to buy your next home in paradise.